welcome back to my channel. It's Hairlista here again, bringing you another video. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the effects of rice water on my hair, my review on rice water, and if it damaged my hair or not. Plus, if you know you are interested in hair care tips, routines and many more, make sure to join the family by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. I have been using rice water now for about 3 years, and when I first started my use of rice water, I normally use it as a leave-in and I used it every day. Okay, this was just when I started using it and I did it for about 2 to 3 weeks. I know this is not ideal, okay, this is not ideal, guys, because if you do it that way, you are going to have protein overload, your hair is going to dry out and you're going to get a lot of breakage. I did it that way when I first started because I didn't have much knowledge about rice water back then, and during the time I was using it back then, even though I was using it every day, my hair was not breaking, guys. Like, it didn't damage my hair. My hair was actually very easy to manage. I noticed that my hair was kind of stronger, like there was extra strength in my hair from just using rice water. Like, during the period I didn't really use any other product. What I used was just rice water and an oil, and I noticed my hair was stronger, there was less breaking, there was less hair loss. Plus, I also noticed that my hair was shinier while using it, although this could be due to the oil I was also using at the time. So when I was using it, guys, there was an improvement in the overall health of my hair. But I had to stop using it that period because of the smell. I couldn't really take the smell any longer. Like, I used fermented rice water and I made a video on how I make fermented rice water for my hair, so make sure to check out that video. I'll leave the link down in the description box below so you can check it out if you are interested. I didn't really like the smell back then, so that's why I had to stop using it as a leave-in, and ever since then I use it only when I'm washing my hair, like a protein treatment or a deep conditioner. I also use it as a rinse also when I'm washing my hair. I can just use it to rinse my hair, or when I'm using it as a protein treatment, I put it on my hair, leave it on for some few minutes to probably 1 hour, then later wash it off. And ever since I've been doing this, guys, I've noticed improvements in the health of my hair. So when people say that rice water damaged their hair, I don't really understand what you're talking about, because for me personally, it didn't damage my hair. Probably they used it too much, because when you use rice water too much or frequently, you can have protein overload, which will dry out your hair and your hair will start breaking and you have hair loss. So my recommendation is that if you're going to use rice water, use it only when it's necessary. Don't use it all the time, because if you do, it's going to backfire, okay, and you're going to come out and say rice water damaged your hair. So to avoid all that, only use it when it's necessary. I use it only when I feel my hair needs a good protein treatment. That is the only time I use it. And like I said, ever since I started using it, there have been improvements in the health of my hair. Plus, something I also noticed, which I don't know, it could just be me, it may not really be there, was when I was using it as a leave-in, my hair actually got darker. I don't know, maybe it was just me and it was for a short period, so I'm not really sure, but I feel my hair actually got darker. So I don't really know. For those of you that use rice water, did it make your hair get darker? I'd like to know. Please leave that in the comment section down below, because I'm really curious. That's all I have for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.